Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Moodeng token. Ticker symbol is Babydeng. Now this token is trending number 10 right now on Deck Screener in the Solana section. They have a huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume, very popular token, just came out within the last couple days. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project here at Babydeng CTO. And CTO is short for community takeover. So there was a community takeover involved in this with this token here, which means the dev is out of the picture now and the community is in charge of this project here. So it says OG Babydeng has a link to the Telegram there. They just joined September 2024. Almost 4,000 followers already. 3,845 followers. 57 posts. And has the contract address right there. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or getting a Chrome extension on your PC, you can get a Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, Solflare Wallet, Phantom Wallet. Any one of these wallets would work. You would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you can fund it with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter at Babydeng CTO, you would trade your Sol for the Babydeng token. Real simple. Now you can see their Telegram's kind of like a mess of numbers, letters, and symbols there, but if you click on that, you could join the Babydeng CTO Telegram group that has 1,870 members. 865 of them are online right now, so that's going to be a great place to join the discussion regarding this project, talk to other community members about the project. And if you go to that Telegram, linked on there is another Telegram with a whole bunch of mess of numbers and letters and whatnot, and that is the announcement channel. So you click on that, it'll take you to the Babydeng CTO Telegram portal that has 674 subscribers, and that's going to be a great place for updates regarding the project, new announcements, partnerships, all that type of stuff. So that's just like the Twitter here. And you're going to see lots of, giveaways, stuff like that. So in their pinned tweet 3 hours ago, they just posted $1,000 USDT giveaway to celebrate Babydeng. We're giving away $1,000 to 3 lucky winners. Winners announced at 3K entries. And then there's a Google Doc form that you fill out, and then you just follow their Twitter, and then you share the tweet, all sorts of stuff. So they also just applied to be listed on CoinMarketCap, and you can see the public verification request ID number in their recent tweets. So you'll be able to see the chart there eventually, but for now, you can find this token on SolScan, and if you're looking for the chart, you can find it on Birdeye, Dex Tools, and Deck Screener. And I believe on Deck Screener, they have the updated CTO socials, as opposed to the original ones from the dev that is now gone. So you go over to Deck Screener here, And yeah, the web page, it looks like it does not work anymore because it was the original web page. They're trending number 10. They have been doing a marketing boost. You can see that on Deck Screener, and whatever they've been doing has been working, because today they have a 24-hour trading volume of $6 million, doing very well. 30,749 transactions. This token is up 11,659% in the past 24 hours. And yeah, their market cap $3.6 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $143,000 in liquidity in Raydium, and according to Deck Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, this is a brand new token. Just came out 2 days, 21 hours ago on Raydium. That's when this pair was created. There is a quick audit on Deck Screener, and there's no warnings on it. It says no mintable tokens. Contract is not freezable. It says a community claimed ownership for this token September 28th. Our adorable little Babydeng deserves much better than the old devs were providing. The community is strong, wanting to send baby Moodeng where it belongs. Let's go. Just our cute little baby Moodeng. Now, if you didn't know, I mean, this baby hippo is like super viral, and not this one specifically, but the Moodeng token came out first, and that was based off a very popular baby hippo meme, and that token continues to do very well. Huge market cap right now. It is trending number 5, the original token, and then this one, came out after, is trending number 10. There's been all sorts of other tokens that have come out similar to that, like Deng. I just posted that one yesterday. I don't even know how that one's doing. It could be in the dumps for all I know. Some of these tokens take a dive pretty quickly. If you just scroll through like the top 30 on Deck Screener, you're going to see Tag, Moodeng, Moodeng. There's another one called, there's another one this morning I was going to do a video on. It was trending number 30 when I started this video. It's now gone. But anyways, there's tons of these tokens coming out based off the first Moodeng token, but this one seems to be doing extremely well and has lasted almost 3 days now. 2,713 holders so far. Now, they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens, deflationary token. Total supply right now, the current supply, 999,991,673 tokens. Token price 0.0036 USD. 6 decimal places on this token. First mint September 27th. According to their rug check, it says risk analysis good. Low amount of LP providers, but it does say mutable data. So just be aware of that. There's no big whales. Top holder has 3.75% of the tokens, but there is a mutable data warning there. So just be aware that there is some warnings, and warnings are there for a reason. So thoroughly do your own research before thinking about getting this token. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Check out the referral codes down there, and y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.